Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be giving you my complete review of Trello, one of the most popular project management and organization tools available today. Whether you're managing personal tasks, planning a team project, or organizing your entire business workflow, Trello promises to make it all simple and visual. But does it really live up to the hype? Let's find out. So, what exactly is Trello? Trello is a web-based project management application that uses boards, lists, and cards to help you organize and prioritize your tasks. Think of it like a digital bulletin board where you can create different columns for stages of a project and move tasks along as you make progress. When you first sign up for Trello, you'll start by creating a board. This is like the main workspace for a particular project. Inside that board, you create lists, which are essentially columns that represent different stages of work. For example, you might have a to-do list, an in-progress list, and a completed list. Then, within each list, you create cards, which are the individual tasks. You can click on a card to add details like descriptions, checklists, due dates, attachments, labels, and comments. One of the things I like about Trello is how simple and visual it is. You can drag and drop cards between lists, which makes it really satisfying to move a task from in progress to done. It's also great for collaborating. You can invite team members to a board, assign them to specific tasks, and leave comments or feedback directly on the cards. Trello is highly customizable. You can change the background of your boards, color code tasks with labels, and even add power-ups, which are integrations with other tools like Google Drive, Slack, Dropbox, and more. These power-ups can add features like calendars, time tracking, and automation to make your workflow even smoother. Speaking of automation, Trello has a built-in automation tool called Butler. With Butler, you can set up rules and commands so Trello does repetitive tasks for you automatically. For example, you could set a rule that says, when I move a card to the completed list, mark the due date as done and assign it to me. This can save a lot of time, especially if you manage large projects. Now, let's go over the pros of Trello. First, it's incredibly easy to use. Even if you've never touched a project management app before, you can set up a simple board and start working in minutes. Second, it's very flexible. You can use it for anything from tracking a personal to-do list to managing a big team project. Third, the free plan is generous, giving you unlimited boards, cards, and members, plus one power-up per board. Of course, Trello has its downsides too. While it's great for visual organization, it's not as feature-rich for complex project tracking as some other tools like ClickUp or Asana. If you're managing very large projects with multiple dependencies and advanced reporting needs, Trello might feel too simple. Another limitation is that the free plan restricts the number of power-ups you can use at once, so if you want advanced features, you'll need to upgrade. Speaking of pricing, Trello has a free plan, a standard plan, a premium plan, and an enterprise plan. The standard plan adds unlimited power-ups and some advanced features, while the premium plan gives you more views like calendar, timeline, table, and dashboard. Enterprise is designed for large organizations that need extra security and admin controls. Compared to other project management tools, Trello's pricing is competitive, especially considering how much you can do with the free version. So, who is Trello best for? I'd say it's perfect for individuals, small teams, and anyone who likes visual organization. It's especially useful for creative projects, marketing campaigns, event planning, or even personal goals. If you prefer a drag-and-drop style of working and don't need overly complex project tracking, Trello will feel just right. One quick tip for beginners: start with one or two simple boards, learn how to use labels and checklists, and then slowly explore power-ups and automation. That way you won't get overwhelmed, and you can build a workflow that truly fits your needs. In my opinion, Trello is one of the easiest and most accessible project management tools out there. It's not perfect for every type of work, but for visual task tracking and simple collaboration, there's hard to beat. That's my review of Trello for beginners. I hope this video was helpful. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.